to use the free Windows 10 video editor to create awesome videos. This is Bong the Ungria, the Ateneo Graduate School of Business, serving you with another tip that can help you improve the quality of your life.
This is a demonstration on how to use the free Windows 10 editor to create your video. So if you go to the start button, beside the start button is normally a search bar. You just type editor and the video editor will come up. Open it. Okay. And then start a new video project. Okay. And now you will add your media. I will call this project editing using Windows 10 editor. Okay. Now, actually, I've created a series of materials which starts with a 5-slide PowerPoint. You will notice here that there's no narration on it, and I actually narrated and recorded a narration already. It's on another file. It's this file, and you know this is the one with the narration because there's this symbol of the embedded sound on each slide. And then, as you may already know, you can export this once you narrated and create a video. I've already done that. And the resulting video is this video, Chrome extension and subtitles. Now, you would also want to control the thumbnail on what will be shown on YouTube. So basically, you can start with the presentation and choose which one you would like as a thumbnail. So I chose this, and then I selected that slide. This is how the slide looks. Okay, so there's no sound button. I will just save it as a picture. I want to save it as a picture so that I can use it as a thumbnail. I already put a symbol, so I won't forget it. It's V4 thumbnail. So now I'm saving it as a JPEG file, and I want just that slide. Okay. So now I made an end slide which requests people. I really hope you found value in this video. To subscribe to my YouTube channel, connect through the blog, and go to LinkedIn. It's already there. So all I have to do is to add all these elements in the video project. Okay, so I will add those elements from my screen. So I want to add the end slide. I want to put the recorded video. I want to put my intro, and I want to put my thumbnail. So everything's there. I added the elements. So I want my thumbnail to be first. Okay. And then I want the intro to be second. The main content to be third. Okay, I want it here. I want it here. Okay, so this is the thumbnail. I can change the length of the thumbnail, so it's about 7 seconds long. This is the intro to the main recording I made separately, and this is the closing video. And I want to add again the title at the end to bookend it. Right, so that's the sequence. I will add recordings on this on YouTube, so I can put sound here. But basically, if I play this on on the editor, it will, for the first 7 seconds, play this title slide and then shift to here where I have
Are you studying online?
the recorded video, and that is for 48 seconds. No, this is the narrated video, and the main video which I recorded earlier before I go through my invitation to connect and the final slide. Okay, so since I'm happy with this, I'll just click on finish video. I'll do the highest resolution possible, and I will then export this to create the final video. Okay, so that will be exported, and I can add a little more trimmings. Once it's on YouTube, I can add sound, the intro cover page, and to the ending page. So it's a brief file, and that's the easy and free way to use Windows 10 editor to upload high quality YouTube videos. And one more thing, if you found value in this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, connect through my blog or through LinkedIn, so together we can serve.